One day, Little Cat wanted to plant something. Then he saw a fish on his plate. He had an idea. If I plant one, maybe a fish tree will grow. He dug a tiny hole. He put the fish inside. He watered it every day. He waited and waited, but nothing grew. He dug the soil. The fish was gone. Where did it go? He said. Just then, Mommy Cat came by. Sweetie, she said, fish don't grow in soil. Fish live in the water. Little Cat blinked, then smiled. He learned something new. Maybe, he said, I will plant a carrot next time. What would you like to plant? Like and follow.